This was where I left you guys hanging in my previous village vlog. In this video, I'm going to take you on a journey through the roads of Anambra State, the beautiful roads of Anambra State. We'll be passing through Nkpor, Umuoji, Ojoto, Nnobi, yeah, all of them. My dashcam videos serve one purpose and one purpose only: to pay my dues to my people who have been away from home for a long time, that want to know what their hometowns look like now. Nothing more. So I'll be sitting in the car, pointing my camera on the road and playing my favorite driving songs. If you watched the previous vlog, you know that I and my brother-in-law are going back to the village after running an errand in Onitsha. So we'll be chatting as well. We're actually rushing back to the village because a lot of people are waiting for us there. If you want to know what this Anambra route looks like and hopefully learn a few things about this part of Anambra State, then sit back, fasten your seatbelt and enjoy the ride with us. St. Charles Boromi Hospital. Yeah. Boromi? I want you, Boromi. Hey, Onitsha. Obodike. See Boromi. St. Charles Boromi. I'm trying to
it's got you down now.
Old road as busy as ever. Hey, what do you? Busy time. Oh no, only cause better I go for new. Anglican. As in, are you there? See your school. See your school gate. Guess about upon call the next one. Shopping mall. As in, are you there? That's why your school. That's why your school. I'm going to go one jig now. Hey, Anglican. No, it's not possible. What do you call it?
Okay, never.
I see what my life here.
Never.
Anglican Girls Grammar School. Look at it. If you get in the Rakwama, I could go and go one G.
I got to board also. I bet I got there.
It's a court here.
Also.
And guess at the Hamburg Junction or what you go?
What you do?
I see. Guess at the Hamburg Junction. Someone else seen the name. Na shop here there. You know, I'm on for the person. College. This is Nkpor Junction. Busy, busy, busy. Hey. Chaos. We have a roundabout. If you go straight, that's towards Iyenu Hospital, Ogidi, Bobo Tiboka. That we're taking here today. When here, they are ang. Eh? What do you have bag for today? 200, yeah. That is Ebo Buni in a lion. This one is opposite. This one goes towards Obosi Chichi. Na kwa you neuzo beg banana mejo Obosi ta adene. If on okbochi. Nego kopia. Hi. Na that baze here pure water.
Your boat I go 350. No, if you die go 350.
I don't what the difference, man.
Only the Libyan so now. Libyan so.
Because Okuhana is exactly the same thing.
No, what that?
Man on you manya moto ya man o. One affair so.
We go 350.
Mama kan 350 don't want house on apote ya na azu. Like this. Amadore go now here. Now. At work. All these are industries. So it's Unity Foam. That one is Aloe Aluminium. Yeah, this is an industrial state. Inland doors. Roads is very 3.5 got 3 billion one a leon. Look at over there. Look at buildings. Here, Ojoto.
Come on, Nkpor, I have to go Nkpor, develop faster than Nkpor because the one boy had Nkpor.
Oh, well, yeah, because of that building materials market, my bakery market. Goes to Ian and Fagor.
Is it that Fagor?
Yeah.
Mandering Pongo.
We were never. Look, they flew on our boss. Why no? What can I name in your lift? Oh. Where school they were not there about, okay? Oh, Mata Madlis, okay?
Yeah,
for private school. Gabo, or Mata Madlis, okay?
Oh, Maria Regina.
I like old school, a very old school. I don't know that God.
What not the other one?
Okay, one and cat.
Yeah, whatever now. School out Umuoji.
The school were very popular school. Old school Umuoji, like school ndo to DMGS.
That's this school I never.
Good afternoon.
I have I have a Umuoji.
The bamboo only living. So see the officials. Umuoji. This is Umuoji. They gained some assaults for several times. Mata Amabilis Secondary School, Umuoji. Yeah, like a very old school, one of the good old schools, man.
car now, you buy your Ojoto.
Okay.
Ojoto will be awesome.
Okay. But Ojoto is on this road, no?
I won't be on the wall.
Okay.
Nnobi
Inside.
the other side, I mean inside, will be awesome.
Okay.
Nnobi inside, will be awesome.
Welcome to Ojoto. Ojoto.
Let me start.
Headquarters, okay. Idemili South Local Government Headquarters, Ojoto. Ojoto. What's your band in that? Sitting on Ojoto. Buy the mango mba. Hey. Ogologo ani ne mammo de se kwa. Nya wa ke butuchara ihe.
Ọ dị mma ga-anago na. Ya ni ne, tebụl ani ne mango.
Tebụl mango. Mana mango ha dị ebe a. Akwụsị nke mfu. Because mgbe ahụ ukwu dị mango ị ga-afịa na main road ebe a ka ị na-agba. Ma omelai na ka ha kọchaziri ebe a ka ọ gị na-enwekwa n'ihu. Okay. Yeah, because some with Christmas. And I jam mango because Ochigo is mango na East. Get what pure or nke ba na za fu at all.
Pure crazy mango.
I don't say at all. Me obuna butucha pure mango na crazy mango na mango Igbo. Kocha si jama mango ebe ni. In those days, moto be about only walk way man or didn't do. Mina Jaja Mina. Hey, look at the landscape. I didn't see it on time. Oh, well, the Anambra landscape is so beautiful. The undulating hills. Was all caught to your side or caught to the other side. Literally, I bet ever nya that we ever. Oh, yeah.
Lions roaring in the morning sun. searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home.
This is Nnobi, and that place the bus is coming out from is Alo London. Alo people love it when I call them Alo London. Hi! Alo London. This is Alo. Goes into Alo. Who's on gig and where maybe you go beside it?
Yeah, I'm 10 years old.
Mana uza makwa thickness all over. Hey. Papa see him maybe. And them no got that to go.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
Yeah,
Aku nanya nke ha.
When trees were swung, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Okay. Good. That is how they speak. Odibesbega nka. Otu aka ha si agba olu nnukwu enyi kita ma nghọtazi onwe.
I'm going to approach.
Oh man.
Nkpor.
Oh man.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a stand.
Umebelo ule ba koji ai kwa fecha ebe o ma nweta anyị. Oso di ga ebe nya dị play.
Traffic. I want to traffic.
Agwa sasa mna ma tiga ndị ule ga na mụ amụ ọkwa nke na akaụntụ cha down o. We are approaching Nnobi. Nnobi.
It's gonna come. The birds have just begun. a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
At that junction, right goes to Nnewi Ozobolo, Obosi. Left goes to Agole, Kulobia, Oka, Adazi, all the Adazis, Neni, Nokwa. And then straight, we're going to take straight. It goes to Oketiti, Ibuku, Umuoji, Oga, Abi. It's not really straight, but yeah, you just go down there and turn left. Straight on from here goes to Nnewi.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a roll.
This video is becoming too long and I'm afraid this is where we will stop for now. In the next edition of DASHCAM with Flo, we'll continue from here, okay? Bye bye, see you soon.
Let's all take a roll. Savannah.